Hey guys, it's Matt with Matt Harris Coaching. Just wanted to make a quick video on how to um, integrate a Getresponse account with Clickfunnels because obviously not everyone is going to have the money to pay for the $297 account, or some people just aren't using Aweber or ActiveCampaign or anything like that. So the next best thing for affiliate marketing autoresponders is Getresponse. So let's start off with integrating with Getresponse. So basically up here, let's move this a little bit. Up here in this far right corner, you're going to see an integrations and API tab. Okay, you're going to click on that. And as it brings you to your integrations page, you're going to be given an option to create an API for the account. But sometimes, like if you want to get notified every time someone opts into your account, you can't integrate it via an API connection. You have to integrate it with a web form. So we can always go over that and show you how to integrate it with a web form next. But right now we're just going to do it with an API. Okay. So under integration, you're going to click API. I already have one set up, but you're going to click generate API key, and then you're going to name it. So say Clickfunnels 2. Click generate. You're going to copy this API key. Okay. Then let's hang on, let me get to my Clickfunnels account. I'll be right back. I'm back. See how quick that was, dude? It was like snapping your fingers and you're on that page. Alright, so when you're back into your Clickfunnels account, up in the far right corner, there's your little avatar up there. So you're going to hover over it, you're going to click on integrations, and then manage API integration screen is going to come up. Okay, I already have a couple things integrated, so obviously we're not going to integrate on the same Getresponse account again, but I'm going to click on add new integration. Alright, and obviously you got to think of a name that you're going to remember. So scroll through the Clickfunnels page, click on Getresponse, then the integration nickname you're going to give. Yeah, I already have a Getresponse, I know. So we can name it Getresponse main or something like that. It doesn't matter. Getresponse man, whatever. You're going to paste in the API key right here, okay? And then you're going to click add integration. Okay, and that is going to integrate Getresponse into your Clickfunnels account. The reason why I would recommend Getresponse is because they're okay with affiliate marketing. Not all autoresponders are big fans of affiliate marketers, so something like this and Aweber, like I showed you on the other videos, is okay with affiliate marketing, which is exactly what you're probably going to be doing, because that's what my funnel that I just gave you guys is for, affiliate marketing. So obviously if you guys have any questions, just shoot me an email. It's Matt at mattharriscoaching.com, and I'll respond to it as quickly as I possibly can. I mean, obviously we all have lives, but I tend to get back to my emails fairly quickly. Depends if my daughter has my phone or not. So Now there should be a link down below with a link to Getresponse. It'll give you a free 30-day trial actually. So if you go ahead, either choose Aweber, Getresponse, doesn't matter to me, or if you have Actionetics in your account, it doesn't matter. Just get your Clickfunnels account up and running. So we covered the video of Aweber, getting your Aweber integrated with Clickfunnels, integrating Actionetics. There's no really integrations. It's there if you got the $297 plan. We got connecting your Getresponse account. Okay, we got changing your affiliate links to your own, getting the 14-day free trial, and obviously setting up these autoresponders. After you're done setting up your autoresponder, you want to go through it and make sure that everything's working perfectly fine. And once you have everything working flawlessly, you're able to start sending traffic to it. So on my next video, I will go over a few traffic sources with you guys, paid and free, obviously. The free traffic sources, obviously, it's going to take time to acquire more customers, but the paid traffic's obviously where it's at. It's a lot easier to get more subscribers with paid, unless you have your website's ranked #1 on the search engines. I mean, it's kind of hard to get up there, and it takes quite a while. So if you're crunching on time and you just want this shit to start rolling in, just go with the paid advertising way. So in the next video, we'll go over how to exactly do all of that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for checking it out.